Hey guys, Beth here. So today I am coming to you with my update on my Partners in Cream Project Pan. This is our second update. This was created by Steph Lyons and Dalin. I'll have them linked down below along with a playlist of all the people that are doing it here on YouTube and Instagram. But I have some good progress to share with you guys. I did finish up one item. I'm going to share that with you first. It was this Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Night Balm. I ended up using it like on my hands and on my feet. It was expired. I bought it for my daughter for her eczema, but she said it stung her. But so I ended up putting it in this project to use it up and get it out of my house, and it worked great. So I'm glad to have used this. Obviously I won't be purchasing it again. I already found something else that works a lot better for my daughter, and I just, I'm just glad that the money that I spent on this didn't go in the trash, because I like to use up things that I spend money on. So there we go, that was done, yay. And then I'm going to show you my progress on the other products, and I might have to mark this one that's coming up next, but it doesn't look like I've made, because I could see right now through with the light. I was here last month. This is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Body Lotion. And here it is. And it is like really raw, you guys. I feel like I am about right here, but there's product that's kind of like up a little bit. So I'm going to mark it like right here, and hopefully next update I'll be able to see it a lot better, but it looks like I'm about right here. So I have been using it on my hands and on my body lately, but I don't use a lot of it because it's pretty thick because it's in the raw form, and then I don't like the scent. So it's a frankincense, it says on the back, with Myrrh, Myrrh. So the scent, the coconut oil, the shea butter, it's just a little much for me and my skin, because I have like, I don't know, I just need the moisture from within. I've been trying to drink a lot more water lately because I feel like that moisture is not coming out of me in a healthy kind of way. So I'm trying to drink more water and not depend too much on like moisturizers and stuff like that, even though I do use them every day. But I think not only do we need to take care of our body like externally, but from the inside out. So I think that drinking a lot more water will help me, and finding ways to do that. So the next item I have really good progress on is my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Now I used about half of it on my face, and then now recently I've been starting to use it on my hands a little bit and on my elbows, because it is so thick, it just doesn't sink into my face well. It just kind of sits there and it feels kind of uncomfortable. So this is how much I have left. It's been in this project since the beginning. I know it's just a little deluxe sample, but like I said, I was using it on my face, and now it's starting to go a lot faster because I'm using it on my elbows and on my hands. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll have this done by the next update. I was trying for this update, but I didn't want to just like waste product and put it everywhere, even though I don't know what I'm thinking, you guys. I'm just gonna try to keep using it. The next item is this Bobbi Brown Eye Base. It's enriched with vitamins, which I like, and it feels nice on my eyelids. I did put it on my eyelids today. However, I don't reach for it every day. It's just kind of an extra step to me putting eyeshadow base or primer on. So a lot of times I just take my foundation over my eyelids or my concealer over my eyelids. But yeah, here's what I have now. So there's a good dip going on. This might last me the whole project, maybe longer. To me, that's a lot of product, because you only need a little bit, and it's kind of like a yogurt or something, like just goes over your eyelids very thinly and nicely. So there's that. And then I have next the ColourPop Under the Sea Super Shock shadow. I haven't used it a lot, you guys. I think this is my second time using it today in this look. I just put it on my eyelids, and then I used a matte royal blue that's in the the card project pan that I'm doing. Oh my goodness, I can't get deck of cards. Oh my god, I'll put it right here, you guys. Here we go. I have like a little dip because when I do put it on my finger, it comes off very thin. It's not like it feels like it's starting to dry out is what it feels like. So it's a very thin layer that comes out. So I do like rub my finger in there quite a bit to get it onto my eyelids. But it's still coming off. I mean, it's still pretty. It still swatches like with one, you know, like little rub in the jar. I just like to have it like thick enough so that way it doesn't like disappear off of my eyelids by the end of the day. The last item is a concealer by Wet n Wild. It was in a stick form and I depotted it into this little pot, and here's how much I have. It's quite a bit. I just put the tiniest amount on my under eyes. It's really thick and it's too light for my complexion, I think. Yeah, way too light, so I can't put it like all over my face or anything like that. I just put it under my eyes and I blend it out with a beauty blender. But there's that. This will last the whole time, but I'm glad I'm getting good use out of it, so that's good. That is it for my update, you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. Oh, I gotta roll in something. No, it's not the end. I'm rolling in my Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer. Now, I didn't realize this was a tinted moisturizer. I don't feel like it tints at all because I don't notice it change color on my skin. Now, mine is starting to separate and get like really oily and weird. So I want to use it up hopefully by the end of this year. There it is on my skin. It's so nice, you guys. It just goes on like, look at how it kind of just disappeared into my skin. So there we go. I'm using this. I about right here, and it's so funny because my mom went to Ulta the other day and she bought this too. I don't know if, I think her shade has to be lighter than mine because she's a lot lighter than me, but it's so funny that now we both have the same foundation. That's never happened before. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I cannot wait to come see yours. I will be trying to catch up. I'm a little bit behind on a lot of people's videos right now because I've been so busy, but thank you again. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.